In January 2020, when people started celebrating the new year, the mankind was struck by a novel virus or a novel health emergency in the form of pandemic, which is called as COVID-19. As the pandemic began and spread throughout the world, a great wave of physical problems started, but it was just a tip of iceberg. And along with that, mental health problems also took place. Yes, we are now 8 months or 9 months after the onset of the COVID 19. And yes, I am here to discuss about the mental health problems related to COVID 19 virus. Any pandemic or any catastrophic event happening to mankind leaves a great impact on human mind. Why is it so? Because an unexpected response occurs in human mind. The first of all, there is a feeling of a shock, then there is a feeling of fear, then there is a feeling of a catastrophic doom, which leads to an anxiety. Anxiety is one of the core symptoms which each of one is facing during this COVID 19. Anxiety means feeling of uncertainty or symptoms which lead mind to think about the uncertain events which are going to happen in the life of a man. And that is why mental health problems in COVID 19 are still just an undercurrent which is going on. People are still fearing to come out of their homes and go or consult a psychiatrist or a psychotherapist. Why is it so? Because COVID 19 per se as a pandemic has not only affected a individual but it also affects families, it also affects work, it also affects a community and country and a world as a whole. And that is why this unpredictability of the virus leads to a symptom which is known as fear or phobia. In my experience, last few months which I have been observing in my clients as well as in general population, mood disorders, that is depression or major depressive disorder, along with that panic disorder, these are the anxiety group of disorder like illness anxiety disorder, obsessive compulsive disorder, as well as something which is known as specific phobia. Symptoms of this are feeling of a sadness of the mood, feeling that he or she will get a corona or a COVID infection, feeling of isolated or isolation, sleeplessness, concentration difficulties, irritation, and all this cluster of symptoms finally leads to a hampering in a relationship functioning or social or occupational functioning. The criteria for corona induced phobia or corona induced anxiety are yet to come. But being a psychiatrist, I personally feel why this happened because suddenly we all were being locked down in our home or in a place where we were suddenly imposed to stay in a closed environment. And during this lockdown period, majority of us may you might be agreeing or not agreeing, but majority of us spend a lot of time on internet or social media just surfing for the medical information or COVID related information. And that is why a term which is known as illness anxiety has been coined. Illness anxiety means that if I am having some or the other symptom, if a person is having some or the other symptom, he or she directly relates it to a corona related problem. And due to this isolation, due to this all this lockdown phase, instead of training our mind, instead of gaining a resilience, we all fell to a mental health problem. Yes, India as a community, India as a country, we all are very much connected to our friends and families. But in the lockdown, did we really utilize our time? And if so, then most of us are resilient still now. So, how to develop a resilience for the mental health problem, or how to develop a psychological immunity for the mental health problems during the COVID 19 era is first of all, invest time in yourself. Most of the people during the lockdown who have invested their time and energy in themselves have come out very much fine, very much fit, and very much mentally healthy to fight any crisis during this pandemic. Second, define your priorities. Priorities means, are health your priorities? or any other thing which is your priority. So once you define your priorities, you will come to know that most of our priorities are moving around our health system and our mental health. So is a mental health priority for you? Please ask the question to yourself. Third important thing is fitness. For developing an immunity, we need to develop a regular fitness protocol in the form of food habits or in the form of exercise or any other physical form of activity. And fourth, to generate a support system, because this pandemic is not yet over. So we need to generate a support system which may help us, which may listen to us, or which may support or care us during a crisis which is known as a psychological crisis. I hope that this message would be helpful to you. I'm introducing myself, Dr. Jyotik Bachej. I am a consultant psychiatrist working at Safalya Mind and Body Clinic in Ahmedabad. Hope you are all wearing the mask, you are keeping a good social distance and sanitizing or washing your hands regularly. Thank you.